So here we have the basket design. I've decided to make it a whole coaster and use different colors. So if you really like the design like I do, you can do solid colors, you can do multicolors, whatever you want. So that's what I've done here. So now we're going to add the white. So we're going to flip it over, we're going to hold it down. Okay. Now we're going to start. So we say we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means we're going to go in this hole and we're going to do 3. Okay, now we've got that done. Now we need to see about this row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to go in this hole here. And then we're going to go under here in that same row. Okay, so now as we see here, it's a little bit longer, so we need to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to go 6. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go under here, make 6. Got a little tangled. The reason why this one's longer is because we used the 4 rows. This one would have been 6 instead of 5, but it's the edge of the canvas. Now we're going to go here, and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Underneath the yellow makes 5. Okay, so now you know we got to come all the way to here because we're going to go out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you're going to go to this one. Going to go underneath that one. Then this one's going to start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going to go underneath that yellow. And of course this one's going to be shorter because it's on the edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're done. You're going to cut it. And then you have your next color, purple. So purple's going to be 4 rows. So you're going to start here. So you know you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 1, 2, whoops. Sorry about that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I made a mistake. So you pull back the white, pull the purple tight, go back through the same hole that you went in, and then you go back into the correct hole. Okay, Easy fix. It's always an easy fix. Okay, now we're going to come over here. Remember, because we have to come to this one. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Going to go in that hole there. Now this coaster shape is going to be a different size, because as you can see, you've got 2 spare rows. So you can either keep those, or you can skip a row here and then have a little row on each end, or you can just cut it off. So cut that off. So your coaster is going to be a little bit of a different shape, but that's okay. That's okay. Then you're going to go here, going to go into there, and then you're going to keep going until you're done. You can do any color, solid colors, however you want. If you want to do these all different colors, you can do that too, because you can skip. See, if I wanted to do this a different color, I could just skip. And then if I chose a different color, then I would just come in with my new color and add it in. So you can really get creative with this design. I don't know, I just like the way it looks. I think it's pretty cool. I call it the basket design. I don't know what stitch design this is. I make up my own names for my own stuff because I've been doing these for so many years. They didn't have internet, and they didn't have books and things that I knew of growing up, so I kind of just call things whatever comes into my head. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. If you have any comments, leave a comment below. I appreciate comments, feedback, tips, and suggestions. Always useful. Subscribe if you haven't already. Feel free to share any video with family, friends, crafters. So there you have it. Different colors, different styles. Thanks for watching, and have a blessed day.